When the Affordable Care Act, often called Obamacare, was designed, it offered subsidies to lower income people so they could purchase health insurance. And it was a really important component of the law. It's now being challenged by in the Supreme Court, and we expect a ruling in June. Here's why. When it was written, it said subsidies could be provided to people that bought health insurance through an exchange established by the state. However, the vast majority of people are getting it through an exchange established by the federal government. Right now, on state exchanges, which New York, by the way, is one, 2.85 million people purchased through the state exchange. So technically, whether you had a subsidy or not, initially this wouldn't be affected, so New York people would not initially be affected. Another 1.14 million go through the federal exchange without a subsidy. Vast majority of people in the United States, 7.7 million, are buying through a federal exchange with a subsidy. If the Supreme Court rules that you can't get a subsidy on a federal exchange, that is really going to affect this 7.7 million people, likely many of them dropping out of the Affordable Care Act insurance, which could then really affect premiums. In other words, the whole thing would have a ripple effect, and if that happened, you'd have to look at Washington redesigning, rewriting the rules. It could affect all of us. Again, ruling due in June. With your money in your pocket minute,